Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the problem C of Codeforces round 1103. The problem statement is an annual programmers fair is taking place on the main square of Omsk. You, as the main programmer of Omsk, decided to take part in this wonderful event. When there, at entrance, a guard decided to check your skills and give you a problem. You are given three integers a, b and x. You want to make a and b equal. In order to do so, you can apply the following type of operations. The first kind of operation is you choose one of the integers a or b and add 1 to it. The second type of operation is choose one of the integers a or b and divide it by x with rounding down. You need to find the minimum number of operations in which after which a becomes equals to b. Okay, so let's take an example of this sample test case. So here your a equals to 7, b equals to 3, x equals to 10. Okay, so for optimal case, let's apply first kind of operations, that is division operation on a equals to 7. So when you divide a 7 by 10, rounding down value is 0 and b as it is. Also apply the second operation on b, that is divide operation. So if you divide 3 by 10, rounding down, it becomes 0. So here you see that after two operations you are able to make a and b 0. So the total number of operations you applied is 0, and this should be our answer. Also observe one another thing. You cannot make a and b equals after applying only one operation, because there are only two operations, either divide or add. So if you apply add here, this will become 4, and 7 and 4 are not equal. Even after divide, obviously you will divide the maximum element. These are 0, 3. So you see that we will have to apply at least two operations. So the minimum number of operations to make a and b equal are 2. And this is also our answer for this case. If you talk about the general case, let's say a comma b comma x. So in this case, for the optimal answer, what you will do is you will divide. So for now, assume a is less than b. Okay. So for optimal case, what you will do is you will just count ans. You will let's take answer variable. You will apply add operations. So how many add operations does it need to make a and b equal to 0 equals? These will be b minus a, as b is greater than 0. So b minus a adding operations will be required to make a and b equals to a and b equal. Okay, so this is our answer if we only apply add operations. Now what you will do is you will divide b by x, right? So this is for the case 1. For the second case, you will divide b by x. Now your value is a b by x. This is rounding down value, a b x, and let's say these are a these new values are a dash, b dash, and x. A dash is equals to a and b dash equals to b by x. Okay, again calculate answer here. Here your answer will be, for this particular case, your answer will be, and let's assume b dash is greater than a dash, otherwise we will solve this. So for this case your answer will be b dash minus a dash plus 1. So these are the add operations, these are the divide operations you applied. Take another case. You will again divide the maximum element, that is b dash by 1. So in this case your value will be a dash b dash by x comma x. Okay, the new values will become a double dash b double dash x. In this case, your answer will be, answer is b double dash. Assume double dash is greater than a double dash, otherwise we will swap them. So your answer will be b double dash minus a double dash plus 2. These are the add operations. These are the divide operations. So you will consider all of the cases until a equals to 0 and b equals to 0, right? So in this case, we have considered every possible case, every possible optimal case. And in the end, we will take minimum of all of these answers. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. So let's see the implementation. So we have done the same thing. Initially, we calculated the answer b minus a, only applying the adding operation. This extra variable is taking count of the number of division operations we have applied, and we will take this, we will continue this while loop until a is greater than 0 or b is greater than 0. Then we will apply the division operation on b because b is greater than a. After applying division operation, we will calculate the answer. Answer is minimum of answer comma. These are the add operations. These are the division operations. And we will increment the number of division operation by 1. Okay. And this will be our answer for the optimal case. So great. This was the solution for problem C. Hope you got the solution. Thank you.